Hello everyone. Okay, if you have a mechanical keyboard and you into modding it or replacing the switches for any reason, just be mindful how you remove your switches so you do not damage the pins underneath them. First and foremost, you need a switch puller. So this is a combo keycap puller and switch puller. And also you can use one like this that came with the GMMK2 keyboard. It hasn't been broken into yet because it has so much space in between and a bit of a resistance, so I'm not using this. All right, so first thing and foremost, pay attention to your clips, as there's two clips, one facing north and one facing south on your switches. All right, for example, if I go, you go right underneath, make sure you got a good grip, and you pull out. All right, plain and simple. Okay, so as you can see, the clips are located right here on this side. If you can see, it's see through. Let me show you on a better switch. All right, so on this one here, you see it on this side and also on the other side, so on both sides. So that way, that's how you can get a good grip like this, and then you can just squeeze and then the switch will come off. For example, I'm going to use the wrong way. Do not try this at home. By the way, this is a pretty hefty keyboard. Look at this. I'm lifting up the whole keyboard. And if you're doing this and the switch is not coming out, stop. Stop what you're doing and pay attention to the locations of the clips. Okay? All right?